when we think about one platform for critical communications, the real takeaway is that we don't want to rely on one channel. If there is an urgent communication, it's not just email, it's not just texting, it's not just a PA system. We really want it to be everything. So with one click, there's unified platforms that allow you to rise above the noise by sending out a text messages, emails, voice calls, app notifications, social media updates, RSS feed updates to the websites, PA systems. All of those are done with a few click of a button in a communication system that's properly set up. And the real takeaway here is that you want redundancy across your communication channels. You can't rely just on email in case your internet or email server goes down. You can't rely just on a call tree because that doesn't take a long time. So really, we know it's a critical communication when we're getting a text, an email, and a voice call. That really is the signal that it's an urgent communication and it requires immediate